Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix download speed in Microsoft Store in Windows 11 and Windows 10. First method WS Reset. Second method is Adjust Delivery Optimization. Third method is Turn off Proxy Server. Fourth method is Repair and Reset Microsoft Store. Fifth method is Troubleshoot Network and Internet. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.